Hi, welcome to my Cuddly Stitches Craft channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet a leaf for your amigurumi toy, just like this one that I made for my pumpkin. This leaf is pretty simple to make and adds a really nice touch to your crochet toy. If you would like to crochet the pumpkin featured in this video, then you can find the free pattern on my blog or in the description below this video. I have also included a screenshot of the written pattern here in case you want to refer to it. To start the leaf, you need to create a slip knot on your hook. And then chain 9 stitches. Okay, so there's 9 chains done. You then need to single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So not this one, but the second one. And as you insert your hook, you also need to go through the back bump of each chain. So you can see them here on the back of the chain. So insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and the back bump, so you will have 2 strands of the yarn on the hook, just like you can see here. And then a single crochet. Half double crochet into the next stitch. And don't forget to go through the back bump also. Then do 2 double crochets into the next stitch. So that's the first one done. So 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Now do treble crochet into the next stitch. And another treble crochet into the next stitch. Then do 2 double crochets into the next stitch. So there's 1 double crochet done and 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Whoopsie, let me just untangle my yarn here. There we go. So now it's half double crochet into the next stitch. And finally single crochet into the last stitch. Okay, so that's one half of the leaf completed. Now you need to work on the opposite side of the chain from this end to the other end. You also want to carry this tail with you, so hide it inside your stitches as you go along. So do 2 single crochets into the first stitch here, which is in fact the same stitch where you did your previous single crochet. And don't forget to hide the tail. So 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. Then it's half double crochet into the next stitch. Hide the tail. Then it's 2 double crochets into the next stitch. So that's 1 done, and then another double crochet into the same stitch. Now do treble crochet into the next stitch. And another treble crochet into the next stitch. Then do 2 double crochets into the next stitch. So that's 1 done, and then another double crochet into the same stitch. Half double crochet into the next one. And finally single crochet into the last stitch. To finish off, slip stitch into the first chain of the starting chain here. And there you have it. Give it a little stretch, and you can now attach it to your toy. So let me show you how to do that. So this is the tail you carried over, so put that aside and cut the other strand of yarn off. And pull it out like this. So you now have 2 yarn tails that you will use to attach the leaf to your toy. I'm going to attach my leaf here at the base of the stem, right next to the pumpkin vines. Thread your needle with 1 yarn tail. And insert it into one of the stitches here. and come out through the back of the pumpkin. Now thread your needle with the other tail. And insert the needle not into the same stitch where you inserted the first tail, but into a stitch next to it. And come out through the same stitch on the back of the pumpkin. Okay, pull on the tails tight and just check your leaf is attached nicely. You can give them another pull if needed. Then tie a double knot with both ends and you will pull the knot inside your work. So thread your needle with one of the tails. And insert your needle into the same stitch the tails are coming out from. Come out with the needle and pull on the yarn tight until the knot disappears inside your work. You can then cut the yarn tails off. Okay, so that's the leaf nicely attached. This is what it looks like underneath, and this is what it looks like on the top. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive an update when I add a new video. Thank you for watching.